Hello everyone, welcome back to Affiliate Zen. This is Danish, and today we are going to cover my first week of the second month using my lead gen secret. But before we get into that, please subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, so you can know when my latest video is published. And also, if you like the video, do not forget to hit the like button because that's gonna help me out with the YouTube algorithm. Okay, this is the dashboard as we all know, and so far uh, we have accumulated 7,100 leads. Yes, this is the total amount of leads, contact, emails, whatever you want to call it, I have accumulated over the period of 1 month and 7 days. So again, this is something that really it is unheard of. No system, no platform provides you leads, let alone help you get sales on those leads. And this is just amazing for those of you who do not who are watching this video or my video, one of my videos for the first time. I've made an entire series about the journey using this system, and you can go to my library, my YouTube library, and you can watch all of the videos, and you will understand what my lead gen secret is. But in a nutshell, it's a mailing system that not only provides you an app that helps you send out emails, but unlimited emails, and it also gives you leads to work from home niche. I mean, it gives you leads which belong to a niche of the work from home and business opportunities. So that's that. Now, I mean, that's in a nutshell. That's all I can explain right now in this video, because this video is not about introduction to my lead gen secret. This is about my my progress using the system. So let's get right into my affiliates tab, and here you will see how much I have made so far. Now this week was really amazing. I had tremendous results this week. If you remember my last video, in my last video, this was the final sale that I made on 29th of November. So since then I have made these many sales, and not only I made sales, but I also received a superstar bonus, because within 7 days period I made 5 sales. I had yes, that's 5 sales. 5 is the number that if you make 5 sales, if you get 5 sales within 7 days period, and I can't remember when the period starts and ends, but if within that window, if you make 5 sales, you get superstar bonus, which is $100, and that is awesome. And as for the recurring income, I received right over here RC, that's short for recurring income. This is this user SS Marks was one of my first signups, and now I receive recurring income because he is thankfully still with the system. And over here there's another recurring system, and over here someone upgraded to superstar, or yeah, superstar swipes. That's an OTO and upgrade that you get when you sign up. You have an option to upgrade to that feature. So let's scroll down to the bottom of the page. Right here in my last video, my commissions were at $95. That was a 1 month work, and within 8 days I have $230, and it's just mind-blowing. I mean, with that rate, I am seeing some good profits, provided that I keep on mailing. You don't skip emails in the system, because you need to keep reminding your leads that this is something that they want to try out. And since those leads belong to those leads are willing to receive emails about business opportunity offers, you keep on emailing them, and that's how you get sales. Simple as that. uh, and like I have shared the Facebook group in my last video, if I remember, and that group helped me a lot. I created two different landing pages, and those landing pages were really helpful in collecting opt-ins. Now, these landing pages don't guarantee sales, but uh, these are just to attract people from social media. I use these landing pages for social media uh, users, and try to get their leads, their emails as well, and then use them through another system, or Gmail, and try to send them emails about my lead gen secret. Because the one thing that my lead gen secret lacks is that you don't have the ability to upload your own leads into the system, into the mailing system, which is something that I don't mind, since the system is already providing me 100 leads every day. In my case, it's 200, because once you make a sales, the 100 leads turns into 200. So if I'm receiving 200 leads a day from a system, I don't really care if they don't allow me to upload my personal list. So I'm fine with that. Yes, in order to send emails to that list, which is not part of my lead gen secret, or not provided by my lead gen secret, I do need to another application to send them all the offers. Anyhow, I know it got longer than I intended, but I just wanted to be thorough, and this is my second week result uh, I'm sorry, my first week of the second month result using my lead gen secret. I made $95, so that means I made $95 last month. So in the past 7 days, including bonus, I made 120 something dollars. Again, I hate math. $125 maybe. So I'm just really happy that I came across this system, and I don't think I'll be going anywhere anytime soon. I'm gonna be a long time member of the system, unless the site shut down, God forbid, or I lose the capability to use laptop, or I don't. The internet just shuts down in my area. I don't see myself stopping. That's what I'm trying to say. So that's pretty much it for this video, and hopefully I get back whenever I receive another sale. I'll update it and let you guys know. Thank you for subscribing, whoever subscribed so far, and thank you for watching my videos. And to my lead gen community, the Facebook members of the official group of my lead gen, thank you all for all the support and encouragement that you've shown so far. Take care of yourselves and others around you. Bye bye.